Feeling weak? Feeling kinda skinny? Yeah? Or you feeling obese? Well, guess what? Today, I am going to show you how to properly do a push-up off of the ground. The ground. What most people seem to forget is that push-ups are derived from floor usage, not the wall. I've seen a lot of people try to do this, okay? This is obviously fucking wrong. Now, you are kind of working out your back. I do that from time to time. If you want to properly do a push-up, okay? Okay? This is what you want to do. You want to squat on one knee. Keep the front knee, left front, perpendicular to your body, creating a horizontal line, like so. After that, you want to move down with that knee. Keep straight. If you lean to the side, you fucked up. Go straight down to the ground with your hands touching the grass. This can only be done on grass, can't be done indoors. If you do it indoors, you're doing it wrong. You then want to remove the knee, because now it no longer matters and your position doesn't matter as long as your hands are parallel to the ground. You look up, now keeping your head perpendicular to the ground. And before doing the push-up, ideally, you want to scream, but not just yell. If you just yell, you will also look like an idiot. You want to curve your head up, okay? Curve, exaggerated curve up. Just fucking swing up and scream at the top of your lungs as loud as possible. Ah! 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 3 times. Probably will generate enough energy for you, but I usually range from like 18 to 26 yells. If my throat hurts, at that point I realize that I'm ready and I'm doing it right. I will now begin the push-up. Feel the burn. Ah.